Here we go. It's the first of the month, and there is so much you need to know about what is going to happen for you this month. There is so much that is about to happen. It's time for your monthly Choose a Photo prediction video. So get ready to hear exactly what you need to know. And I'm doing something a little bit extra this month. I'm trying it out for the first time. So this month, if you want a more personalized reading specific to you, based on kind of your situation, a little bit of astrology with your birth date and everything like that, I will give you a more personalized reading if you go ahead and click the link up here, and I'll also link it down below for you. And if this message resonates with you this month, this will help you go a little layer deeper. And really quickly, if you're new to my channel, these are some of my most requested videos because they are insanely accurate. Time and time again, people tell me just how shocked they are and how spot on these messages are. And I truly love making them. So here we go. Now, here is how it works. You choose a photo and I will give you the exact message and prediction that you were meant to hear. Plus, I'll be sharing specific affirmations and meditations to use to really maximize and amplify your results this month. And really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and transformation expert focused on getting you real results. My whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And before we get into all of the messages and predictions, go ahead and hit the little thumbs up button down below if you like these types of videos, so that I know that you're watching and getting value from them. Now, like I've mentioned in my other Choose a Photo videos, this is not tarot, it's not any kind of psychic thing. This is actually based in psychology, energy, visualization, and interpretation. And like I mentioned, you'll most likely be shocked at just how accurate this gets. So here is how it works. In just a moment, I'm gonna show you 4 different photos up on the screen at the same time. And without overthinking it or going too deep, you are going to pick one. The first one that draws you in. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't even have to like the picture. Just pick the one you're drawn to first. And then I'm gonna tell you what it means and what's about to happen for you. You can almost think of it like the picture will choose you. Where are you drawn to first? Trust yourself. So here are the 4 photos, and again, just pick one and I will give you the message and prediction based on whichever one you choose. Here they are, and you have just a few seconds. Okay, time is up. Now let's get into the photo you chose and what it means. If you chose that first photo of the white mountain, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Right now, there's a situation in your life where something that used to feel so certain and so solid just isn't working the way that it used to. And the frustrating part is that the harder you try, it seems like you're getting even worse results. It's like you keep pushing and you keep doing more and you keep trying to force it back into place because it used to work so well. And something about it just keeps slipping further and further away. And honestly, that can feel really, really defeating. But here is what I need you to hear if you chose this photo. It's not over for you, but your sign right now is not to do more. It's actually the opposite. It's time to get quiet and observe. It's time to lean into your intuition like you've never done before. Because all of that forcing and pushing and trying harder is actually drowning out the very guidance that you're actually needing, the thing you've actually been searching for, the resolution to this issue. So now is the time to get into silence, into stillness, and find the answers there instead of trying to force them into existence. Because the truth is, you already have the answers within you. You just need to access them. You don't need to figure it all out from the outside. You need to get quiet enough to hear what's already there. And I know that this can feel really weird and uncertain at times, because when something solid in your life stops working, it can kind of shake you up a little bit. But this is exactly the moment to trust yourself more than ever. So ask yourself, what are my gut instincts telling me? What are my feelings telling me? What do I already know deep down, even if I've been ignoring it? And most importantly, can I see this from a different perspective? And then lean into it like you've never done before. Because the answer isn't doing more. You already see that that's not working. It's in trusting what you already know, letting yourself be guided. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I trust myself. It's being rearranged in my favor. And also start listening to the guidance and clarity subliminal or the higher self-guided meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one feels best for you. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing yellow shoes everywhere. And I know that sounds incredibly random and specific, but watch how often yellow shoes start showing up for you. It could be yellow shoes on someone walking by, or yellow shoes in a store window, or yellow shoes in a picture or a movie or somebody talking about yellow shoes. Watch how often yellow shoes start showing up for you. And if you chose the second photo of the tangled ball of colors, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Life might be feeling a little bit hectic and chaotic right now. As we move into these summer months with less of a schedule and less of a structure, you might be feeling like you're kind of wandering around a little bit lost each day. Like, where am I supposed to be? What am I supposed to be doing? What was I supposed to remember? There's this kind of like loose, untethered feeling, almost like that routine that used to kind of hold everything together has just loosened up. And now you're not totally sure where you're supposed to put your focus. But here is what I want you to notice. Instead of fighting the chaos, how can you lean into the magic of these slower months? Because honestly, there is something really beautiful happening right now if you let yourself see it. I'm not even a summer person typically, but I feel it. The days are a little bit longer, time moves a little bit slower, and there is more adventure and spontaneity around you more than usual. So this isn't a season for rigid structure and forcing yourself into some kind of strict plan. This is a season for flow, for spontaneity, for saying yes to the unexpected. Because some of the best moments are the ones that were never planned. That drive that turned into an adventure. That random yes that turned into a memory you'll never forget. Or that day that had no agenda and ended up being exactly what you needed. So instead of resisting the looseness and trying to control every single minute, let yourself soften into it. Let yourself be led and let yourself find the magic in those unplanned moments. Because when you stop gripping so tightly to structure and you start trusting the flow, that's when life surprises you in the best possible ways. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I find and enjoy the magic and adventure of every day. And also start listening to the nervous system reset subliminal or the chakra clearing meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They'll both be linked down below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing ducks everywhere. Another really random symbol, but ducks. And watch how often you start saying them. It could be ducks in person. It could be ducks in a picture, someone talking about ducks, maybe even rubber ducks. Watch how often ducks start showing up for you. And if you chose that third photo of that beige ledge, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. For a long time now, it's kind of felt like you're right on the verge of something really big that you've been wanting and working toward. And you might be feeling frustrated right now because despite how close it feels, it just hasn't happened yet. And honestly, you might have even had a few months now in these choose a photo videos where your message is that it's almost here or it's about to show up. But don't be mad at me because you might be sitting there saying, okay, Mary, well, where is it? And it's been days or weeks or maybe even months or years. And I get that can feel so frustrating and kind of almost discouraging. But instead of letting yourself get frustrated, I want you to shift into certainty and excitement, because frustration pushes it further away, but certainty calls it in. So if you want it here faster, be more certain. And here's something I also want you to look at. I want you to acknowledge any part of you that might need to grow or change in order to actually receive these things. This is something we don't always look at. You can kind of think of it like a little bit of a reality housekeeping. For example, what do you need to clear out of your closet if you are making room for new clothes? What can you let go of? What are you not going to wear anymore? What's not serving you? How do you make space for what you want? Is there anything in your life right now that's still kind of quietly blocking it from showing up? Maybe it's an old belief or an old fear or an old version of you that doesn't quite match what you're calling into your current reality. Because sometimes what we want is just waiting on us to be ready to receive it. And here's the truth. Success isn't always linear. There are ups, there are downs, there are moments where it feels close and moments where it feels far. But that closeness you've been feeling towards actually having that thing is real. So instead of doing more and trying to force it, do the housekeeping, clear the space, and get into the energy of certainty that it's already yours and get excited about it. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I release and I'm ready to receive. And also be sure to start listening to the Divine Timing Subliminal or the Receive and Release meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They'll both be linked down below in the description box. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing bluebirds everywhere. And it doesn't have to be an actual bluebird in person, although it could be. It could be a bluebird in a picture or somebody talking about bluebirds or bluebird in a movie. Watch how often bluebirds start showing up for you. They can be kind of fast, so make sure you're on the lookout for it. And if you chose the fourth photo of those gears, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. There is some kind of change that you are wanting to make right now, but you are resisting it on such a deep level that you're kind of almost in conflict with yourself. It's like you make up your mind that you're finally going to do this thing that you want to do, and then you hesitate, or you change your mind, or you talk yourself out of it, or you start overthinking it. And before you know it, you're right back at square one, repeating the whole process. The whole cycle just starts over again. You decide, you doubt, you stop, you restart, and that is exhausting because it feels like you're fighting against yourself. But here is what you need to hear. The reason you keep getting stuck in this loop is because you haven't gotten clear yet. So right now, the work is to just get really, really clear. Ask yourself, what will this change actually bring to me? What am I experiencing right now that I don't want? What is the contrast here? What is it specifically that I want to change and why? How will this change better my life? Because that right there is where your clarity lives. When you get honest about the why, the decision stops feeling so confusing. You stop fighting yourself and you stop repeating the same patterns over and over and over again. So do yourself a favor and stop driving yourself crazy with the overthinking and the back and forth. Stop circling the same decision 100 times and get to the root of it. Get clear on what you want and why you want it. Because once you have that clarity, the right decisions stop feeling so hard. They start to feel obvious. And that's when you can finally move forward instead of staying stuck in conflict with yourself. And if you chose this photo, I want you to be sure to start using this affirmation. I am ready to upgrade my life and I'm open and willing to trust myself. And also start listening to either the Magnetic Identity Subliminal or the Law of Assumption meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They'll both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing turtles everywhere. Super random, I know. It could be turtles in person. It could be in a photo. It could be in a video. It could be on TV. It could be someone talking about turtles or maybe jewelry with turtles on it. Watch how often turtles start showing up for you. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. I truly always love hearing the results specifically from these videos, and I read through all of the comments. So let me know which one you chose and if it resonated. And like I mentioned, if you want to watch other Choose a Photo videos, there's a whole playlist linked down below. You can go through and kind of binge on through your messages and predictions. And if you want a more detailed picture of what your month is going to look like, more specific to you and your situation based on whichever photo you chose, I'm starting something brand new this month. You can go ahead and click the link up here, or there'll also be a link down below to get your personalized reading. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.